Good morning, everyone. We are NOJé team from Shanghai Jiao Tong University. Our topic is biological agents about trichoderma. Every day when we wake up, we can find that our foods in this potential safety hazard, such as toxic vegetables, rice, and tea. As we all know, on the mainland of China, more than 100,000 people are suffering from this problem. Well, all over the world, Japan and the European Union put forward many pesticide research projects about importing our country's food. So we have been worried about what we can really eat now and then. Luckily, we discovered trichoderma. So please allow us to present our dream. Our presentation contains 3 parts. Now please my partner to introduce the first one.
Firstly, I want to share with you of our product's amazing influence on crops, disease, and the soil. And we found that our product can increase the 60% of the use ratio of chemical internalized. So maybe you feel very interested in our product. So we separate the wild strain from a lot of products across the country, and then we screen a specific one from them. And we call it trichoderma. In Chinese, it's 木霉菌. So we found that in every aspect of these 3 aspects, trichoderma impressed us a lot. From the picture, we can see that trichoderma got a lot of lesions patterns, and the wild strain can adapt to a lot of different environments. And after batch fermentation, we got our products, and the product has a long shelf life, good quality, and good resistance. So thanks to our technology, we got our core products, and it's 4 kinds of products, and each of them has different function and application range. So to prove that our products has a long shelf life and application range, our lab did 4 kinds of experiment according to our 4 different core products. And you can see in the picture, after using our product, the crops will show better in growing. And not only in the lab, we also did experiment in Chongming, an island of Shanghai, and we successfully prevent the tomato disease. And additionally, it helps promote the growth of the tomato. So we prove that our product has the function of chemical fertilization. Yeah. So our product and the experiment has been reported by some famous news, such as Shanghai News and Liberation Daily. So with the help of the government, our product has been promoted to nearly 20 provinces in China, and such as Liaoning and Hebei. So the next part is our production and operation. Our production base is just like these 3 equipment. It's air compressor, steamer, and fermenter. And our production process contains 7 parts. And our workflow is 7 days. I mean that just after 7 days, you may get our product. So we know that in our life, the product safety is very important. So based on that quality process, we create our own concept of quality control and to achieve the goal for farmers to buy and use at ease. So the next part is our marketing.
What fantastic products? Let's go on from the marketing positioning. In China, every year, China needs 400,000 tons pesticides, and which grow with 10% speed. In this, biological pesticide market exceeds 40,000 tons. The trichoderma biological markets now experience the process of soaring growth. In the competition, we must understand NOJé means. NOJé means green agriculture and green food. From the past, if we consider the fertilizer value, we can see our products' actual cost is almost the same as the traditional pesticides. Otherwise, our product's effect is better. On the regional expansion, we will rely on our own advantages to expand. First, open up Yangtze River duty market, and then expand to nationwide. That's all. Thank you for your attention.
There seems to be other trichoderma products on the market already. So my question is that what's your innovation over your competitor, and what is your difference to differentiation to other products?
Our product's core component is kidney spores. Kidney spores long shelf life, high quality. Its value is 2 million Arab dream. But in the market, the other products, the core products is spores. Spores short life, low quality. The cost from the chart, my product's cost is lower than the other products. Thank you.
For your presentation, I have 3 questions for you. First of all, could you tell us, in your mind, what's the definition about the green fertilizer? So in other words, what will be the key performance indicators to identify this is so-called the green fertilizer in your mind?
My product is green. One of our products is green fertilizer. Green fertilizer is low environment release, eco-friendly, promote plant growth.
Okay, so I can catch your point. Okay. Secondly, you mentioned about the greenhouse bioasset. So could you elaborate a little bit about this? Also, you mentioned about the microorganism germ. So what would be the target microorganisms you can curate? And the last one, could you tell a little bit about your mechanism and the principle, why the technology is quite useful? As you know, the principle and the mechanism for the pesticides, they have lots of function, okay? So I wonder what will be the principle, the mechanism, how your product can have such successful results, performance also.
Our products is patent from in China many provinces. The control effect more than 80%.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
谢谢上海台。
And these two are biological pesticides. All of them can kill plant disease and promote growth. These tools' main function is to prevent disease and has significant advantages of effectiveness, such as those. And the other tools' main function is to cure disease.
Okay, and you can see in the picture, and our product has been promoted.
So you put all 4 in one product?
No. We have 4 kinds of products.
4 kinds of
These 2 are different.
So what type of microorganism you can kill?
And what type of the
insect?
Insect.
Could you kill insect? Because you keep on mentioning the pesticide. Okay, pesticide is to kill caterpillar, right? Okay, and then I thought that your fungus, your bacteria can kill the insect.
It's mainly kill fungus.
Fungus.
对 fungus.
To kill the fungus.
对 fungus.
It's not a pesticide, it's a fungicide.
Oh, that's a fungus.
It's not only kill fungus, but also kill insects. Insects is literally.
In the earth.
Yes.
Okay, not on the leaves.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's different.
对。It's
Is there any
on leaves is okay. Leaves is okay. 然后common wilt is okay.
Also, you mentioned about the greenhouse bioassay. Greenhouse bioassay. What this means?
就是greenhouse greenhouse 就是温室生测，就是我们在in the laboratory， 然后进行一个delectation， 然后detect the content of of our products core content.
So I just tell you, this is your product. So you have to have a target microorganisms.
Yes.
Okay. Since the microorganism in the environment is very complicated, so we need to develop an indicator. Okay, indicator this kind of bioassay method. 所以这东西要合在一起，所以我说你们要把它弄清楚。所以这些 terminology 有点混淆。农药是杀虫剂，杀虫剂。
老师跟你讲话，他出来
观感，
我只要需要我去不会想讲话。
它因为它主要就是它不光能够杀菌，就是还能杀昆虫，所以我们只能从称为农药。因为这个 Trichoderma 在美国的话已经占有了它的生物农药市场的85%。
Panacea to kill everything.
农药又有3个功能，一个是毒性 selectivity。是它的专一性，另外一个呢是它的 persistence。
The tool is pesticide. This is fertilizer.
Persistence. Okay, selectivity. Okay, and should be kill the microorganism. 但是这个生物的东西啊，就有点。
Generic modification.
没有改任何基因，这个是从土里面分出的野生菌素。毒性的话我们做过，生物安全性测定，是在就是那个国家监监局做的，然后针对于壁氏、田蛙也做过，然后还有就是我们常做的就是一种就是叫做斑马鱼的东西也做过，然后就是这些生物安全性我们都已经做过了，它是已经达到就是那个一个就是菌肥的一个就是肥料的一个标准，然后这边呢已经达到了就是一个药的一个标准，就是农药的标准。
Not poisonous, no pollution.
No poison. No pollution. Okay.
这个肥料的名字是什么？我们上面讲嘛。
肥料的话，核心成分是后元孢子，就是是木灰菌的一种生长形态。
Different from another.
The pesticides including nitrogen, phosphate, potassium， 这是氮磷钾嘛？
我们这里
肥料不是这个肥料。
我们有的，因为我们是拿麸皮、玉米粉，然后硅藻土，然后还有就是玉米秸秆，然后进行发酵出来，所以里面有一些。
所以你要回来以后呢，说到这个。